letter, right? And I call this laptop L. Okay, L. Now, L is not a member of B. Am I right? So, here's a standard way of designating that. This means L is a member, and if I do that, it's not a member. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, tell me, is B a member of B? Is this statement correct?
Set of boys is a member of set of boys.
The set of boys is a member of, that means the set of boys must be a boy.
Yes.
Yes.
Is that correct?
No.
Oh, he is a little worried about this. The set of boys is certainly not a boy. Right? So it cannot be a member of the set of boys. To be a member of the set of boys, you have to be a boy. Is this therefore correct?
Yes.
Okay, good. So you have come across sets which are not members of themselves. Is that right? Do you think a set could be a member of itself in some case, some special case? Okay, give me an example.
सिंगल बॉय होगा तो वो उससे
Say it loud so that everybody hears.
बॉय एक ही बॉय है
हाँ.
एक बॉय का सेट है
सब
वो boy
अच्छा
इसमें-
सारे लड़के इस कमरे से बाहर चले जाओ, आप अकेले रहिए यहाँ पर. The set of boys in this room has one member, you. Okay, and therefore,
वो खुद ही बॉय इज
so the set of boys now becomes a boy.
सिंगल बॉय इज सेट
So
ऑफ
set of all boys in this room is just one boy in this room, right? The set of that one boy in this room is a boy. Is the statement making sense? वो क्या कह रहे हैं? वो कह रहे हैं
सिंगल
कि अगर सारे लड़के चले जाएं इस कमरे से एक बचा रहे तो वो कह रहे हैं वो जो सेट है of all boys in this room which is just one boy, that set is a boy. Does that make sense? Why does that set become a boy? Sorry?
सेट बॉय कैसे हो सकता है
वही मैं पूछ रहा हूँ. लड़की हो सकता है? नहीं, ये नहीं हो सकता है ना. सेट ऑफ अ बॉय और टू बॉयज और थ्री बॉयज कैन नॉट बी अ बॉय. अभी टेक्नोलॉजी इतना नहीं एडवांस की है. तो set of boys is not a boy under any circumstances, right? So it's not an element of itself. I'm asking you, can you think of a set which can be an element of itself? What about the set of counting numbers? Is that a number? The set of counting numbers, is that a number? So it's not an element. क्या कभी भी नहीं ऐसा होगा कि a set becomes an element of itself or member of itself?
सेट ऑफ सेट मैंने सेट
Okay, let's think a little bit. Okay, does this look like mathematics to you? Is it mathematics? आपको ये मैथ्स लग रहा है? मैथ्स की परिकल्पना क्या थी? What did you have about? What image do you have of mathematics in your mind? Tan theta, derivative, integral. मैंने शुरू में क्या कहा था? All of mathematics rests on the idea of a set or a function, right? So we don't seem to be doing any math here, but really this is important for mathematics and for many other things also. So let's get back to this. The set. Can you think of a set which is a member of itself? Set of counting numbers is not a counting number. The set of integers is not an integer. Maybe there is some set which is a member of itself.
null set
Sir, can null set be a
file set
null
What is a null set?
nothing, no objects.
Then how can it be a member? Because the null set is an object. If it's a member of the null set, then the null set has something in it. Set of? Set of water.
Huh?
What does that mean? Think about this.
Set of-
Ask your group. पहले group में discuss करो. Then I'll listen. Yes, you said something.
सेट ऑफ
The set of
Set.
set of set.
बोलना बोल.
You mean the set of all sets?
नो एनी सेट मतलब यस ऑल सेट यू कैन से
No, I can say many things. What do you want me to say?
Set of set. मतलब कोई भी
Set of set.
Yes.
Set of sets.
If I am saying
एक minute. There's enough time. I mean, set of set. ये statement grammatically, logically, is this correct? The set of set. What do you think? I've forgotten your name. No. Yeah. KK. Yeah, that's right. I missed you yesterday, KK. Doesn't matter. So tell me, set of set, KK. Does it make sense? It makes sense. Set of set. Are we playing tennis here or what? It doesn't seem to make sense to me. If it does, please explain. Set of set.
set of sets.
Set of sets. Which sets?
I am not defining at that time.
No, you have to say sets. Which sets? I mean, set of those sets in this classroom. I mean, I can make all kinds of sets in this classroom, right? With objects in this classroom, I can make many sets. The set of fans, the set of tube lights.
The set of subsets.
Subsets? What's a subset?
जो मतलब सेट में डिफाइन किया जाता है मतलब सबसेट जैसे काउंटिंग नंबर है 0 1 2 9 तो
डेफिनेशन दो मुझे सबसेट का डेफिनेशन दो
सर सबसेट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ सेट
part of set by these are not well defined things, you know. We must use precise language. Part, intuitively I can understand something. Either you give me examples.
सर जैसे 0 1 2 3 4 नंबर है तो उसमें से एक सेट हो जाएगा 5 नल सेट और एक हो जाएगा 0 सेट 0 ही होगा उसके अंदर एलिमेंट और एक हो जाएगा 1 एलिमेंट ये सारे सबसेट्स हैं
Set of all these sets will be member of
subset of all sets.
Set of all these sets will be member
Set of all sets.
Yes, will be member.
Okay, so now look, he's got a statement here. He says, let's look at the set of all sets.
The set of
The
universe
set of all sets, it has a name, universal set. Right? It's generally designated like this. Something like that?
Yeah.
Something like that, right? Anyway, you can denote it by uppercase A. It doesn't matter. The question is this: the set of all sets. What are members of this set? All sets that exist in the universe. All sets, right? This is also a set. So it must be a member of itself. Is it making sense?
Yes.
So you found something. Okay. You found one example. Very good. I'm impressed. Are there other examples or is this the only example?
Universal set का example लेना है.
Tell me, while I play around a little bit with this device here. No?
Set का example.
Ah, I got it. Okay. So tell me, I finished playing, you tell me. Can you think of any other object which is a set and is a member of itself?
Suppose U is the set of all living things on the earth.
Yeah.
And the D is the set of all dogs, living dogs.
Yeah.
Then D is the set of U.
Yeah.
A set of.
No, I want a set which is a member of itself. Have you understood my question?
Yes.
Can we produce so he produced one set. He said, take the universal set. It has to be a member of itself because the universal set consists of all sets. All sets are members of the universal set. Universal set is a set, so it is a member of itself by definition. My question is, any other example?
So I have a question. I asked if all the elements of that set should belong to the elements of the other set.
Which other set?
Like there are two sets of like.
No. I'm asking you something else. Get my question right. There is no math here, no counting, no differentiation, no multiplication. This is simple language. So you better learn to come to grips with this. लाइफ में काम आएगा जी? मुझे ये बताओ, मैं पूछ रहा हूं, आप सेट क्या है समझ गए कि नहीं? बड़े एग्जाम्पल्स भी हमने ले लिए। सेट के अंदर जो एलिमेंट्स होते हैं उनको कहते हैं सेट के मेंबर्स। जैसे सेट ऑफ ऑल काउंटिंग नंबर्स, इसके मेंबर्स क्या हैं? 1 2 3। सेट ऑफ ऑल काउंटिंग नंबर्स का हमने सिंबल ये रखा हुआ है, राइट? ये is this a counting number? This symbol, is this a counting number? It's just a symbol. It's not a number. ये इसका मेंबर नहीं है, ये है इसका मेंबर। ये इसका मेंबर है, ठीक है? तो अब आपको दिख रहा है ना? अब मैं पूछ रहा हूं, आशीष ने एक एग्जाम्पल दिया, ये यूनिवर्सल सेट है, उन्होंने कहा इट इज अ मेंबर ऑफ इटसेल्फ। दैट्स करेक्ट, करेक्ट। यूनिवर्सल सेट इज अ मेंबर ऑफ इटसेल्फ। यूनिवर्सल सेट के क्या मेंबर्स हैं? सारे सेट्स। ये भी एक सेट है, तो ये भी इसमें होगा एज अ मेंबर। आ रही है बात क्लियर? अब मैं पूछ रहा हूं, आर देयर अदर एग्जांपल्स? यू आर एब्सोल्युटली श्योर? जेब में पैसे लाए हो? बेट लगाओगे?
So if we take the gender,
Say that again.
so if we take the case of genders, like gender is a own a set, but there
Sorry,
are
say that again. Gender is what?
gender. If we consider gender as a set, and there are two sets within it only.
Gender set है. Gender is a word here. How is it? What do you mean by? Remember, set की परिभाषा हमने. What was the definition of a set?
Defined.
Collection of well-defined objects. Gender. How is it a collection of well-defined objects?
Gender is a social term.
Remember this. You must always be very precise with your language, with your words, with your interpretation. Learn to be very, very precise.
So null set can be a set of null set only.
Null set can be
A set of null set.
set. A set of तो कोई word नहीं है, हमने use नहीं किया.
Null set is a set of null set. नहीं होगा. It won't be possible.
No, this sentence doesn't make sense.
Like a set is having nothing.
You mean member or set?
A set.
मैं तो कुछ और पूछ रहा हूँ. I'm asking you, can you give me an example of a set which is a member of itself? एक example मिला. I'm asking you to give me another example. Or if you feel there is no other example, justify it.
अगर कोई भी हम फिक्स चीज़ उसमें डिफाइन करते हैं सेट किसी चीज़ का, और फिर वो इटसेल्फ तो सेट हो नहीं सकता, क्योंकि जो वो चीज़ होगा वो सेट होगा, वो फिर उस ऑब्जेक्ट वगैरह नहीं हो सकता है।
So let's see. I'm going to give you an example. Let's look at a set which is very, very well defined. Okay? The set of all sets which have at least two members. Have I made it clear? So let me call this, I'm going to give this a name, A. What is A? It's the set of all sets which have at least two members. Is it clear? अब मुझे बताओ, is the set of boys in this room, is it a member of A? इस रूम में जो boys का set है उसमें कम से कम 2 member हैं कि नहीं? 2 से ज़्यादा हैं, तो वो A का member हो गया कि नहीं? Clear? The set of girls in this room, is it a member of A? A में कम से कम 2 member तो मिल ही गए. The set of boys in this room, the set of girls in this room. A की परिभाषा क्या थी? What was the definition of A? All sets which have at least 2 members. A itself has at least 2 members. मैंने दिखा दिया. So A is a member of A. Am I right or wrong, sir? अच्छा हुआ ना पैसे नहीं लगाए, ये सब उड़ जाते. Are you convinced by this? No, आप नहीं लग रहे हो. You happy?
Yes.
You're quite happy with one set. Very nice. Are you convinced? My friends over there who don't talk much, you're convinced? Anybody who's not convinced? So, I've given you an example of a set which is a member of itself, and we have looked at lots of examples of sets which are not members of themselves, right? If I give you any set, मैं एक set रख दूं सामने, तो या तो वो उसका member होगा या नहीं होगा, दो ही चीज हो सकती है ना, या तो होगा या नहीं होगा. If I give you an example of a set KK, then either it is a member of itself or it is not a member of itself. Does this statement make sense? Oh, it doesn't make sense to KK. I'm happy. Very good. Tell me why it doesn't make sense. So I give you a set. Set is a well-defined collection of objects, right? And then I ask you, take any other set. Either that set is a member of this set or it is not a member of this set. Clear? For instance, suppose I look at the set of boys in this room, right? And we look at the set of girls. The set of girls is not a boy. So it is not a member of this. If I look at the set of boys in this room and I look at Ashish, Ashish is a boy, so he is a member of this set, right? So objects either are members of a set or they are not. उसके अलावा कोई third possibility तो हो नहीं सकती. We are also happy and all in agreement here, right? Okay, now let's see. I'm going to give you a statement. So, I gave you an example of a set which is a member of itself. We have looked at lots of examples of sets which are not members of themselves, right? Now, let's collect all sets which are not members of themselves. I can do that. Collect all sets which are not members of themselves. This is well defined. इसके examples दो मुझे. Counting numbers वाला set, right? Boys का set. They're all not members of themselves. ये सारे ऐसे sets को collect कर लो. Call this set. What shall we call this set, folks? Don't save. Right. So what shall I call this? The set of all sets which are not members of themselves. Let's call it X, the mysterious set. What does this consist of? I shouldn't use equal to, that's a bad sign, bad use of term. Collection, okay? Can you read this? Collection of all sets which are not members of themselves. Clear? Everyone?
Yes.
Making sense?
Yes.
Collection of all sets which are not members of themselves. X is that set. So, X consists, so X के members का example दो, like the set of boys. Set of boys is not a boy, so it is a member of X. Set of girls is not a girl, so it is a member of X. X is a well-defined set. You're all happy with it. Become friends with it. Here's a simple question. Is X a member of itself or not? Here's my question.
उसके अंदर जितने भी हैं
Yes, sir. Is X, दो ही possibility हो सकती है. Either X is a member or it is not a member of itself. Okay, let's look at both. It is not. So, our group here very boldly says X is not a member. If X is not a member of itself, then it is a set which is not a member of itself, correct? What is X? Collection of all sets which are not members. Then X must be a member. आप कह रहे हो नहीं है तो it is a member. ये तो गड़बड़ हो गया. बात समझ में आई? बते की बात confusing. सब लाइफ पूरी confusing होती है, ये तो छोटी सी चीज है. जब जिंदगी का सामना करोगे तो बहुत कंफ्यूजन आएंगे सामने. इसको सीख लो तो जिंदगी में सफल हो जाओगे, है ना? शाबाश. Is this making sense? He said X is not a member of itself. If X is not a member of itself, look at the definition of X.
Yes, sir.
By definition, X has only those sets which are not members of themselves, which are members of themselves, right? No, which are not members of themselves. And therefore X must be there because he says it is not a member. But then it is a member. तो उल्टा हो गया. ये गलत थे. If he was wrong, then X has to be a member of itself. If X is a member of itself, then what is X by definition? Only those sets which are not members of themselves. Then X is not a member of itself. फिर problem हो गया. I hope you guys aren't getting nervous here, folks. पसीने तो नहीं छूट रहे. ये क्या हो गया?
अच्छा मैंने मैथ्स में पढ़ा है.
ये क्या हुआ भाई?
X member है.
What happened? Yes, KK, you want to say something? Nobody. So what? Did I go wrong somewhere? आप ही ने कहा, बड़ा लॉजिकल लगता है कि अगर मैं कोई सेट देता हूँ और कोई और सेट देता हूँ, either the set is an element of itself or it is not. दो ही चीज हो सकती है. मैंने एक सेट आपके सामने रख दिया और वो न एलिमेंट है न नहीं है, दोनों नहीं हो सकता. It's neither there nor not there. ये तो बड़ा मुश्किल है साहब. Either KK is in this room or he is not in this room. दो ही चीज हो सकती है ना. So you have to be very careful in life. You may think you're being very logical. This is mathematics, sir. You think you're being very logical, very precise. Tell me, where did I defy logic? कहीं नहीं. I tried and I started with very well-defined statements, precise statements, and we end up with this problem here, right? So there is something mysterious happening here. Okay, I'll draw an analogy with this. Suppose there is an island, and on that island there is a barber. And the barber shaves, it's a male barber, and the barber shaves all those men who don't shave by themselves. Correct? Precise statement? Okay, who shaves the barber?
Barber itself.
He only shaves those men who don't shave by themselves. So if the barber shaves himself, that's defying this statement. Because he's only allowed to shave those men who don't shave by themselves. Right? If the barber doesn't shave himself, then he has to shave himself. ये barber को तो फांसी ही लगने वाली, चाहे इधर जाए चाहे उधर जाए. He'll violate the law. है ना? जेल जाएगा ये. एक और barber, अरे भाई statement तो एक ही है ना कि barber इस पूरे island में the barber will shave all men who don't shave by themselves. And if he doesn't do this, he'll be hanged. Now tell me, will this barber be hanged or not? Because if he doesn't shave himself, he has to shave himself. Problem. If he shaves himself, then he cannot shave himself. Again, problem. So either way, he'll get hanged. He violates the law. Is that clear? KK,
Sir,
what do you think? We should change the constitution. Bring a constitutional amendment bill immediately. मैंने बहुत ही precise statement कहा. All men who do not shave themselves. All men on this island. The barber is a man. He is on this island. He is bound by this regulation. अब बताओ.
मतलब खुद से नहीं करते हैं.
जो खुद से शेव नहीं करते उनको बार्बर शेव करता
उनका
है.
बार्बर शेव करता है. तो वो बाकी
एक मिनट. हाँ,
वो किसी दूसरे आदमी के पास जाएगा और उसे बोलेगा मेरा शेव कर दो.
हाँ तो
वो स्टेटमेंट
खुद नहीं कर रहा है ना बार्बर.
हाँ.
किसी और से करवा रहा है. वो अलाउड ही नहीं है.
वो अलाउड नहीं है.
बार्बर
उस आइलैंड पे
कानून कह रहा है कि बार्बर उनको शेव करेगा जो खुद से नहीं
नहीं
करेगा.
करते हैं.
जो कुछ नहीं कहते उनको सिर्फ बाबर ही करते हैं.
क्यों भाई? ये नाराज लग रहे हैं मुझसे. भाई मैंने ये कानून नहीं बनाया. ठीक है. अब आप एक काम कर सकते हो. ब्रिंग अ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट बिल दैट द बार्बर इज एग्जेम्प्ट फ्रॉम दिस लॉ. तो बेचारा जी लेगा, नहीं तो फांसी हो जाएगी. ठीक है. ओके. सो ये जो